Hello and welcome to SLDR615, the Fundamentals of Project Management. I will do a formal kind of introduction video because I'd like to get to know each of you, and I'll tell you a little bit more about myself. But what I'd like to do for now is I can tell that some of the students are trying to go in early. They just want to make sure they can start some of the assignments ahead of time. And so I just want to make sure that you have the tools that you need and that you're equipped. So let's just take a quick breeze through week one, and then I'll do a formal introduction as we get a little bit closer to the course this next week. So of course, as typical in any Moodle site, you're going to have your announcements, you'll have your general discussion forums, and then you'll also have an area with your syllabus. So if you would prefer, you can certainly, just use the PDF, or you can also edit the syllabus if it's some way that it helps you. We've got the project management knowledge area that's here, and then just a couple other resources that are pretty helpful. So remember that this is a front-loaded course, and so we're going to be having assignments due on the first day of each week. And so for week one, all of the assignments are due on October 1st. And then accordingly, you just go down with a front-loaded course. So week two, everything is due October 8th. Week three, everything is due October 15th, etc. So hopefully that makes sense, especially if you're new to front-loaded courses. It can be a little confusing in the beginning. So as you get into week one, we're actually going to be exploring project management as far as the concepts or knowledge areas of initiating and defining, and we'll be working on project initiation and stakeholder analysis. Those are the two big concepts for week one. So you're going to go ahead and read in your Fast Forward MBA, Chapter 2 and Chapter 4, which gives you the most in-depth understanding about project initiation itself, so that you can take this knowledge area and use it in any of your projects. As well as Chapter 5, it helps you understand the stakeholder analysis component. So when you get ready to do your templates down here, that information will help. And then you're going to go ahead and read Critical Chain. This is a business novel, nonfiction, but it really kind of talks about constraints and bottlenecks, and I think you'll find some great information in there. Now, these are the videos from lynda.com, and these are going to help you with the concepts. This particular video here will help you with the concepts, and it will also help you with the templates. Sometimes there's confusion with the students, and it's understandable. How does this, this template work inside of these phases? And so as we're teaching you project management, we take each phase and we break it down into a format in which you can fill out, and it shows us and yourself that you understand the concept, that you're comprehending it, and our templates are a way for us to see that. So this is really just a project knowledge phase or step that you'll be going through. So this video in and of itself, these will be really helpful in understanding fully how to fill out the templates and what this phase really means for you. And then you'll go ahead with an online course. You're going to do your form 1.1 and 1.2. Make sure that you have at least 350 words. Make sure that you have substantial responses. One or two sentences are not substantial. You want to make sure that you've got some good dialogue in there, that you're asking questions, and then you'll just go ahead and upload 2 of these templates when you get done. And it just allows us, again, to understand that you are comprehending this knowledge and that you're getting it so that you can apply it in the business world. And so the first template that you'll fill out, you'll just click on this and fill out your project proposal. And there is information in here that's really helpful about where this is at in the process. And then the second piece will be your stakeholder analysis template. So you'll have 2 templates that you'll be turning in week one, and then you'll do your 2 quizzes based on Chapter 2 and Chapter 5. And that's it. So your forums and your dialogue, your 2 templates that you'll upload, and your 2 quizzes. So I'll do a formal introduction as we get a little bit closer to class, but wanted to make sure that you were equipped if you want to do some homework ahead of time. We'll talk with you soon.